Let's talk Azure Queue Storage. Azure Queue Storage, an exemplary service within Microsoft Azure specifically designed for message queuing scenarios. The service offers a robust, scalable solution for asynchronously linking disparate components of a cloud-based application, providing both flexibility and reliability in message-based communication. Types: Azure Queue Storage exists mainly in two forms. 1. Standard queue, suitable for most messaging scenarios and provides all essential queuing functionalities. 2. Premium queue, designed for high throughput, low latency scenarios, and available only in certain regions. Features: Message time to live, TTL, allows you to specify how long a message remains in the queue. Deduplication, prevents message duplication, ensuring a message is processed only once. Batching, enables the processing of multiple messages in a single transaction. Encryption, offers encryption at rest and encryption in transit to secure your data. Monitoring, provides diagnostics, logging, and metrics through Azure Monitor. Capacity: queue size, up to 500 terabytes per storage account. Message size, a single message can be up to 64 kilobytes in size. Purpose and usage: Azure Queue Storage is widely used for decoupling components, separate different parts of a cloud application. Load leveling, absorb sudden bursts of load and smooth out the traffic. Asynchronous communication, facilitate communication between services and applications running at different times. Making use of Azure Queue Storage. 1. Initialization, navigate to Azure portal and create a queue storage within an Azure storage account. 2. Configuration, set visibility timeouts, message TTLs, and other properties. 3. Send and receive messages, utilize Azure SDKs to programmatically insert messages into the queue and dequeue them for processing. 4. Monitoring, use Azure Monitor and Application Insights for metrics and analytics. In summary, what? Azure Queue Storage is a service designed for message queuing, enabling asynchronous communication between application components. Types: available in standard and premium tiers, catering to general and high-performance needs. Features: supports message TTL, deduplication, batching, encryption, and monitoring. Capacity: supports a queue size of up to 500 terabytes and a single message size of up to 64 kilobytes. Purpose and usage: ideal for decoupling components, load leveling, and asynchronous communication. Utilization: can be set up and configured via Azure portal, with programmatic access via Azure SDKs. Thanks for watching.